How to shred ginger with GJ806. Machine installation. Recommended to be installed with 1mm shredding blade. Blade disc with 4 washers. If you want to cut 1.5mm shreds, use the 1.5mm shredding blade with 4 washers blade disc. If cut into 2mm shreds, use the 2mm shredding blade with 3 washers blade disc. Commonly used cutting blade disc can be purchased individually. Different ingredients. You can directly change the disc, convenient and quick. Now demonstrating how to cut 1mm slicing strips. Next, install the machine. Wear protective gloves. Align the blade disc with the main unit. Tighten the disc with screw. Hold the screw column of the blade disc with your hand. Use the handle to tighten it securely. Do not touch the surface of the blade directly with your hand. Avoid slipping and injuring your hand. Select the shredding feed port. Install and lock the clips. Food guide sleeve to prevent food from splashing. The arrow of the food guide sleeve aligns with the arrow of the feed port and fits in. This completes the installation. Food processing. First, peel the ginger and wash it thoroughly. The feed opening is about 10 by 4 cm in size. If it cannot enter the feed port, it needs to be cut manually. Cut off a little bit on both sides. How to shred ginger. Fill the basin with water and place it under the outlet. Connect the power supply and press the start button. Direction facing the machine. Push the ginger in. Feels like the ginger is pushing back on your hand. Follow this speed and slowly push it in. Once you have pushed the ginger into the feed port, take the ginger and continue pushing it in. The ginger has been chopped and pushed into the feed opening. Do not continue to push it in with your hands. Use the feed rod to push the remaining ginger in. If you need to stop the machine temporarily, you can continue slicing when you return. Whether you need to cut 5 kg or 10 kg of ingredients, you can do it one after another. Pros and cons. Our machine cuts much faster than manual cutting. The cut ginger strips are very smooth and even. These are ginger slices of 1.5mm, 1mm, and 2mm thickness. Disadvantage: when slicing to the end of each piece of ginger, there might be one thin slice left uncut. Just give it a quick manual cut to fix it. Cleaning and maintenance. First, remove the food guide sleeve. Shake the ingredients out. Open the cover. Sweep down the stuck ingredients with our brush. Then remove the blade assembly. Hold the blade assembly screw column with your hand to avoid cutting yourself. These 3 parts can be washed directly with water. The blade can also be removed. Use the blade removal protective cover to safely remove it for cleaning. After cutting ingredients, the blade will have some mucus attached to it. Use the sharpening box to sharpen the blade and maintain its sharpness. Secure the blade, edge up, to the bottom cover of the sharpening box. Close the top cover. Gently sharpen it back and forth a couple of times. Wipe the main unit with a clean cloth. Make sure the cleaning cloth is wrung out. Avoid water flowing into the machine's interior and damaging it. Then reinstall the cleaned parts and store them properly for future use.